If you're seeing the Tyre Sensors Not Detected warning on your 2015 Ford Fiesta, it means the car's computer isn't receiving signals from one or more of the tire pressure sensors. These sensors, located inside each tire, monitor pressure and temperature and transmit the data wirelessly. The most common causes are dead sensor batteries, which have a lifespan of 5 to 7 years, sensor malfunction due to damage during tire changes or corrosion, or simply needing to reprogram the sensors to the car's system after tire rotation or replacement. Ignoring this warning can be dangerous, as low tire pressure increases accident risk. Let's get it fixed. First, try a simple reset. With the ignition on but engine off, press and hold the TPMS reset button, usually found on the steering column, until the TPMS light blinks 3 times, about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, drive the car above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the system to recalibrate. If the warning persists, use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific error codes like C1A02, indicating a sensor isn't detected. If a sensor is faulty, you'll need to replace it. New sensors cost $50 to $100 each. Programming them to your car can be done with a TPMS tool or by a professional. Remember, proper TPMS function is essential for safety, so don't delay getting it sorted.